Welcome to another video from Global Academy Hub. Academic excellence, global impact. Let's determine if matrix A has an inverse. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the determinant of A. And if the determinant of A is 0, it indicates that matrix A is a singular matrix. If it's a singular matrix, it has no inverse. If the determinant of A is not 0, it means it has an inverse. So let's go ahead and find the determinant of A. How do we do that? Well, we're going to take A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So A multiplied by D is 1 multiplied by 2 minus C, which is 3 multiplied by minus 1. So this is 2 minus a minus 3. And so the determinant of A is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Hence, we have an inverse. Now, we need to find what we call the adjoint or adjunct of this matrix. And the adjoint of this matrix, A, can be found simply by swapping A and D. So here I have 1, 2. Now I'll have 2 and 1 in that corner. So those are swapped. Now, in terms of B and C, I'm just going to take the minus values of those. Okay, I'm going to take the negative of whatever is there. So here, B is 3. In the adjoint, it's going to be minus 3. And C is minus 1. So that's going to be a positive 1. And so that's the adjoint of A. Now, find the inverse. So how do I find the inverse? A minus 1, which is the inverse, is equal to 1 over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjoint of A, which I've already found. So I have 1 over 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3, 1, 1. This is what we call a scalar multiplication with matrix. And so everything inside here is multiplied by 1/5. So I get 2 divided by 5 minus 3 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, and that's my inverse function. Okay? Let's try another one. So here's what I know now. I know that if this exists, and I'll determine it shortly, it's going to be 1 over the determinant of B. And you can pause the video and give this a try, multiplied by the adjoint of B. So let's go ahead and find the determinant of B to see if we even have an inverse. So that's going to be A times D, which is 5 times 6, minus B times C, which is 4 times 7. So this is 30 minus 28, hence this is 2. Yeah, I do have an inverse. It's not 0. So this then becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by the adjoint of this. Now remember, for the adjoint, A and D swap places. So this is going to be 6 here, and this is going to be 5 over here. And 4 and 7, B and C, those will stay in place. But I'll take the negative of what they were. So this was positive, it will now be negative. 7 was positive, it's going to now be negative. And this is a scalar multiplication, so 6 times 1/2 is 3. Minus 4 times 1/2 is minus 2. Minus 7 times 1/2 is minus 7/2. 5 times 1/2 is 5/2. And just like that, I have the inverse of B. Now, you want to check your answer. What you want to do then is you want to say B multiplied by the inverse of B. And what you should get there is the identity matrix. Okay? So you want to find another one of my videos to demonstrate how to multiply matrices and how to handle the identity matrix. You should see something at the top of the video in the upper right hand side. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, put anything you want in the comments if you want me to solve another one.